Under kinds of possession, we would discuss corporeal possession, incorporeal possession, mediate possession, immediate possession, constructive possession, and adverse possession. So, there are six categories of possessions under the very law of possession. So, out of these, the first one is corporeal possession, and in opposition to that is incorporeal possession. So, also mediate possession, in opposition to mediate possession is immediate possession. So, also constructive possession, in opposition to constructive possession is adverse possession. So, regarding the first one, corporeal possession, which means possession of material things movable as well as immovable. The corpus consists of the exclusion of others' interference in the enjoyment of the thing at will. Actual use of it is not necessary. Salman gives an example of corporeal possession, and that is that a lock of his watch in safe for 10 years continuously and now exercise his claim to it exclusively other persons from interfering it is a kind of corporeal possession as according to Salman, and incorporeal possession means possession of immaterial and intangible things which we cannot touch and perceive as trademark, copyright, intellectual property right, etc. Actual and continuous use and enjoyment is essential. If it is not continuously in the form of use, may give rise to non-existence of possession of such things. So, the basic distinction we found in between these two, possession of a thing versus possession of a right, in Roman law, first one is called possessio corporis and the second one is called possessio juris in German jurisprudence. Possession of material objects versus possession of legal rights, it is differentiated. In English law, it defines both in the similar manner as the Roman and German jurists. They define in between the difference between corporeal and incorporeal possession. So the difference in Roman law as possessio corporis and possessio juris is accepted by the German jurisprudence, and the same way also these are being defined by English jurists under English law. So, in our next video, we will discuss the other four different categories of possession.